So today I want to talk about one of the most underrated mods you can do for your Model Y or Model 3. What I have in front of me is this pure sexiness that is a matte carbon fiber steering wheel with thumb grips. Look at this thing, man. So damn sexy. I used to have a Model 3 and I had a very similar steering wheel and I loved it every single day. Look at this beauty. Perforated leather. Beautiful. The thumb grips are so amazing to hold. The steering wheel is thick. I love that pinstripe on top. I got it custom with the gloss piano white finish. Matte carbon fiber all around. Now there are a few other companies selling this style of steering wheel. Like I said, I used to own one of them. And their steering wheel was a lot thinner than this one. And over here, I remember when I used to squeeze this area, it was like flexing and it just seemed kind of cheap. This thing is solid. Nothing is flexing anywhere. Beautiful white stitching. It has the grooves in the back for your fingers. It's just such a joy to hold. And I DoorDash for a living, so I spend a lot of time holding on to this thing. And let me tell you, it's just phenomenal. I have no idea why there aren't more videos on YouTube with carbon fiber steering wheels in general. I had a carbon fiber steering wheel on my GTI and I loved it so much. When I turn, especially from this angle, this thumb grip is just so amazing. Or if I'm just holding on to this beautiful groove right here, it's just so comfortable the way the thumb grip fits. It's such a pleasure, man. Let's see what it looks like from a distance. Look at that. I also have that tilting screen, which is a pretty cool mod. Let's see this thing from a different angle. So you can see how thick it is. There are those grooves. Beautiful craftsmanship. If you're on the fence and thinking about maybe getting gloss versus matte, I would highly recommend the matte. It just looks beautiful, especially in the sunlight. And the matte finish, unlike the gloss is going to be kind of grippy. And for me, that would cause these little calluses to appear, especially with the original Tesla steering wheel. And with this one, that callus is now finally healing and much smoother. And before it would be like sticking out. And that's because of the grippy nature. This one is a bit more slippery, although it's not that slippery, but it's definitely more slippery. And I feel like my palms aren't sweating when I'm holding it. If you like this steering wheel, I ordered a bunch of them. I have 5 available in the non-heated version. And that one is going to be matte everywhere. Even the white piano trim is going to be a matte finish. I also have 4 of the heated versions. This is a heated version, and the heated version will come with the gloss piano white trim. The heated version works really nicely. You would just click your temperature setting, and then you would turn it on right there. It heats up in a matter of like 30 seconds. And it's nice. Some people had concerns about heating and is the heat getting through. It gets through just fine. It's nice, it's warm, it's great. So I have 5 of these available on my eBay store. And I've been an eBay seller for like 15 years already, possibly 20 years. I have like over almost 3,000 feedbacks. So you're safe, you're good to go. The price will be slightly cheaper if you are local to the Phoenix area, because there's no eBay fees to pay, so I'm able to pass those savings on to you. And trust me when I tell you, this thing makes a huge difference to your car. First of all, it looks like $1 million bucks. Look at this. It's just pure sexiness. This leather is so smooth. Beautiful. When I drive, I always hold it like this, and it's just so comfortable. With the stock steering wheel, my fingers were too crammed because the spacing here was not as wide. This is just so comfortable. You could do it this way if you want. I drive like that. I drive like this. Oh my God, I love touching this thing. Yeah, man. Fantastic steering wheel. Prices will be updated on my eBay store. It's definitely affordable. I would highly, highly recommend it. I can do another video about installing it. It's not that hard. There are other videos out there. I have a few techniques that would make your life a lot easier though. So yeah, this is a little overview of my steering wheel. Only 5 available. The heated ones are kind of stuck in limbo right now. I'm not even sure if I'm going to receive them, but right now we do have 5 of these available in a non-heated version. I personally don't use the heated function all that much in Arizona. Maybe in other states you'd like that. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments. Peace.